In case you haven't heard, Utah is having a very strange winter this year for a state that's literally known to have the greatest snow on earth. We really haven't seen much of it this year.
Because of the warmer weather and the lack of snow out there.
Obviously, the snow levels this year have been kind of disappointing.
Environmentalists sounding the alarm about the lack of snow in our mountains.
Right now, we're in a snow drought.
Statewide snowpack has fallen to the lowest level ever recorded for this point in the season.
Now you can kind of see some snow up there, but that's really not a lot. In fact, I've started telling people we really do have the greatest snow, but it's not guaranteed. I gotta say though, I feel bad for anyone who's been planning their ski trips or have already booked their ski trips and come up here only to find that they're on mostly man-made snow. Sorry. Now winter's not over yet, but this has been labeled one of the worst winter droughts in decades. In fact, a lot of people out here are worried about not having enough water to sustain the state and other neighboring states, especially in the upcoming summer months. Now, luckily, just this past week, we've had a decent snowstorm come through that's brought some snow into the high mountains, which, in all honesty, is where that snow needs to be anyways. Now, if you remember, last year I actually made a video about where all of our water comes from and how all of that works here in Utah, at least. If you haven't seen it, you should check it out. It's very educational. Now, because it's been so unusually warm here in the valley, I was able to keep the snowblower away and even mow the lawn in January. Something I've never done before, ever. I mowed my front yard and, as you can see, cleaned up pretty good. I saved the backyard for February. Here's how you know it's crazy times. We have tulips and other perennials already beginning to surface. This usually doesn't happen for another couple months. Now, as of today's recording, in the middle of February, the predictions are optimistic. There could be more storms headed this way, but as of right now, the main reservoirs that serve the majority of Utah's population are about 70 to 80% full. The total capacity of all of Utah's reservoirs statewide is only 39%. Now, of course, I'm hoping for more snow to come this way before spring. Not only will snow help alleviate the drought conditions, but the higher the ground moisture levels are, going into summer especially, the less we have to worry about wildfires too. So there you go, pretty crazy times out here. Snow's kind of a big deal. I am looking forward to lawn season officially getting started up again though. I'm excited to share some projects with you. If you're not already, please consider subscribing to the channel. Sign up for my free email list for free tips and tricks throughout the year. Follow along for more helpful and entertaining lawn care content. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.